Chapter 6. Life in the tropical and subtropical regions. The tropical region lies close to the equator. It extends between 10° N and 10° S. The subtropical region extends from 10 degrees to 30 degrees north and south latitudes. The Amazon River flows through the tropical region and has formed the Amazon Basin in South America. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers flow through the subtropical region. They have formed the Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin in the Indian subcontinent. The Amazon Basin. Location and physiography. A major part of the Amazon Basin lies in Brazil, between the Guiana Highland in the north and the Brazilian Highland in the south. Amazon is the most important river in South America. It is the second longest river in the world, 6,280 kilometers, and it discharges the largest volume of water. The Amazon River originates in the Andes Mountains and drains into the Atlantic Ocean. Marno River, which is the headstream of the Amazon River, rises from the snow-covered Andes Mountains in Peru. The Amazon River flows eastwards, and on its way it is joined by more than 1,000 known tributaries. The river, along with its tributaries, forms the largest river basin in the world. Climatic conditions. The Amazon Basin experiences an equatorial type of climate. This type of climate is characterized by hot and wet conditions throughout the year. The daytime temperature becomes oppressive and unbearable due to bright sunlight and high relative humidity. The rainfall is heavy, about 250 centimeters per year, and it is well distributed throughout the year. Flora and fauna. The hot and humid climate in the Amazon Basin helps in the rich growth of natural vegetation. The forests found here are the largest and thickest in the world. These are called the evergreen equatorial rainforests. These forests are also known as selva in South America. The important trees found in the Amazon Basin are ebony, palm, rubber and cane. These trees provide hardwood timber. Balsa, the lightest wood, is also found in these forests. Other products from the forests are rubber, cocoa, coffee nuts, gum, cork, resins, quinine from the bark of the cinchona tree and wax from the carnauba palm tree. The Amazon Basin also has a rich variety of wildlife. There are mammals such as monkeys, tapirs, jaguars, pumas, sloths, anteaters, armadillos, etc. A large variety of birds, such as toucans, hummingbirds and many with brilliantly colored plumages are found here. Many species of reptiles and snakes also live in these forests. Giant turtles, alligators and crocodiles are found in the marshy regions. There are also many varieties of insects and fishes. The flesh-eating fish piranha is found in the Amazon River and its tributaries. People and their economic activities. The forested areas are inhabited by different tribes. They have a primitive way of life. They obtain food by hunting, gathering and fishing. Some forested areas have been cleared by the slash and burn method to prepare land for farming. Shifting agriculture is widely practiced by the tribes. The staple food is manioc, also known as cassava, that grows under the ground like potatoes. The settlements are small and scattered. Wood from the forests is widely used to make houses. The large apartment-like houses have steep slanting roofs. These are called maloca. Manaus, which was developed as a rubber collecting center along the Amazon River, is now a popular port for ocean liners. Belém, with its red-roofed houses, is now surrounded by groves of banana and palm trees. Today, Belém is called the port of the Amazon River. In the past, the Amazon River was the only waterway to link the forested areas with other places. In the last 50 years, a number of roads have been developed to connect the scattered settlements. In recent years, there has been massive deforestation in the Amazon basin. The ecological balance has been disturbed. The Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin. Location and physiography. India has one of the most extensive, flat and fertile plains in the world. It lies in the subtropical region and is located between 10 and 230 ON. The Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin includes the plains of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers, the Himalayas and the Sundarban Delta. The Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin is made up of alluvium brought by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers and their numerous tributaries. Some of the main tributaries of the Ganga is the Ghaghra, the Son, the Chambal, the Gandak, the Kosi. The Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas. The Ganga enters the plain at Haridwar. The Ganga Basin stretches from Delhi to Kolkata. It includes parts of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The Brahmaputra Basin lies in the northeastern part of India. The Brahmaputra River rises from the Chemayung Dung Glacier near Lake Mansarovar in Tibet. The river enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers join together before draining into the Bay of Bengal. Together these rivers form the largest and perhaps the most fertile delta in the world, the Sundarbans. Climatic conditions. The Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin experiences monsoon type of climate. This type of climate is characterized by hot summers, wet monsoons and cold winters. Most of the rainfall takes place during the monsoon season. Flora and fauna. The forests in the Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin are mostly tropical deciduous. These forests yield valuable timber. Sal, teak, peepal and bamboo are the important trees found in these forests. The delta region has mangrove forests. Coniferous forests are found in some parts of Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. The forests are rich in wildlife. There are many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Elephants, rhinoceros, tigers, deer and monkeys are found here. In the delta region, the Royal Bengal tigers, crocodiles and alligators are found. A large variety of fishes, such as rohu, katla and hilsa, are also found. People and their economic activities. The basin area has varied topography. The environment plays a dominant role in the distribution of the population. The plain area provides the most suitable land for human habitation. The density of the population is very high. Agriculture is the most important occupation of the people. The basin has a number of geographical advantages which favor agriculture. Some of them are as under. The climate is suitable for growing crops throughout the year. Fertile alluvial soil deposited by the rivers coming from the mountains. Perennial rivers provide enough water for irrigation, especially during the dry season. The flat lowlands make farming easier and are also useful for development of an excellent network of roads and railways. The agro-based industries in this region depend on agriculture. The main crops cultivated in the plains are rice, wheat, maize, sorghum, pulses, millets, gram, sugarcane, cotton, oilseeds, tea, jute, silk, fruits and vegetables. In the hilly areas, the slopes have been terraced to carry out intensive agriculture. Tea is mostly grown in plantations in Assam and West Bengal. Silkworms are reared in parts of Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. Cotton, jute, silk, sugarcane and oilseeds provide the basic raw materials for the textile, sugar and edible oil industries. The cultivation of food crops has priority over cash crops. Most of the people in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin live in villages. The plains are more populated than the mountainous areas. A number of cities, with a population of more than 10 lakhs, have developed along the banks of the rivers. Some of them are Kanpur, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, Kolkata and Guwahati. The Ganga-Brahmaputra basin has a well-developed system of transport